array or you are very new to array, whoever the cases, you can understand well by listening this topic. Okay, take the always have the notebook with you. Array, types of array, you just take down a single dimensional array and multi-dimensional array. So from the name itself we can say to that only one dimension is there at a single dimension. More than one dimension is there, that is called as a multi-dimensional array. Okay, and my kind request, join in a proper timing, then only you will understand the class. And one more request is connect your audio. Even though video is not connected, it's not a problem, because while seeing about that, the Sai Karan audio is connected, but video is not connected. It's not a problem. But some of the students, video only connected, audio it's not connected. I think on that day I got messages in the group that stating that you people are saying, ma'am, I have connected my audio, but it is not. You are have mentioned me. You all understand? Zoom is not new to us. We were using Zoom for the past 2 years. So how to handle the Zoom, and who are all using everything, we can view it from your list. So if your audio is not connected, it will show in a symbol. Is clear? So you all understand. I think by saying that Harshavardhan, everyone audio is connecting. Vasu, Dilip Raj, you all put your register number first. Sorry, roll number first. It's very one important announcement. Roll number followed by your name. How come we give the attendance? Gautam, Pranit Kakani, you just connect your audio. Yes, clear? Connect your audio, it's very very important. All connect the audio. I will put up the message in for everyone in meeting. Connect the audio. Anyone having the doubt, I think I will unmute, and you can, whoever not connected, they cannot unmute. That's the problem. Connect the audio, everyone should connect the audio. Yes, then how can you understand what I'm speaking to you? Yeah. Yeah, someone have raised the hand. Yeah, unmute and talk, ma. Any doubt? Murthy, while unmute and talk, till now I gave the options. Okay, only now. Very good, very good. Gautam, still Guhan. Yeah, you just connected. I think I'm seeing Gautam for a long time. Its video, its audio is not connected. Krishna Jo Datta.
Morning, madam.
Yeah, yeah. Good morning. Connect your
I was
audio, ma. Who is speaking? Chiranjeevi Nagababu, yeah, mute your audio. Any doubt alone you have to supposed to ask.
okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, connect your audio. I think you may understand what I'm speaking. Now you take down types of array first. I will give you the definition. Single dimensional and multi-dimensional array. It's a thing we will discuss about both the array detailed in this second unit. Okay. Array. Now I will give you what is array, why we are going for array. Okay, for example, if I want to store a variable, okay, and it's not a single data, it's a multiple data. Okay, single variable means it's very simple. If I put int a equal to 10 and b equal to 20, c equal to 30, for three variables I can declare, but multiple variables. For example, I want to declare your marks. Okay, so for your students marks, now the strength is around 200. Shall I declare 200 students variable, s1, s2, s3? That will not very difficult for the user. So for that particular concept, we were going for an array. So if you have to understand, if I want to store a multiple data, can you understand multiple data in a single uh, variable, not single variable, single storage class. For example, integer na integer. I have to store float na float. So that is possible in array. So array, what they were saying na, it is mainly linear and homogeneous data structure. Homogeneous data structure means a similar data type. Okay, integer na integer data type, float na float data type. So linear and homogeneous data. It's one of the important definition. Define array. An array is a linear and homogeneous data structure. So homogeneous data structure means it is a similar data type only can be declared in an array. Okay, that was saying similar data type. But how they will store? For example, integer na how many bytes it will occupy ma? We all know it's all depends on the system. If it is a 32-bit system, 4 bytes. I think I will uh, 4 bytes. Okay. Okay. But you all understand that it will takes in the continuous memory location. Contiguous is nothing but continuous memory location. For example, if I'm declaring any array, it should be in a homogeneous data structure, that is single data structure. And how it will take the memory na, it will take in the contiguous memory location. That means continuous memory location. So array can be declared for any homogeneous data structure with different variables. That is the thing. I think this is one of the important definition. You just take down an array is a linear and homogeneous data structure, and array permits only homogeneous data. That's very, very important. It means similar type of elements are stored in contiguous memory location under one variable name. You just take down these two or define array. One single variable name, I can declare all the datas, homogeneous datas. Okay. Yeah, collection of elements is nothing but we can say it is that they are using the technical term homogeneous data structure and contiguous memory location under one variable name. Okay, now I will give you the definition. Have you all take down the definition what I gave this here? Have you all take down the definition? Array structure, array, yeah, array is a linear homogeneous data structure which is stored in a contiguous memory location under one variable name. Is clear? So homogeneous na, it is nothing but a same data type. Contiguous na, continuous memory location. Only one single variable name is used to declare the array. Jay Kumar, what's your doubt? You put it in the chat ma. Is clear? We'll see the example one by one. Yes. Shall I move on to the next slide? Say first and second points again, ma'am. First and second points, you all understand that int A, int B, int C, you can declare. But I want to declare for 100 students now, int D, int E, int F, and you all know alphabets takes only 26 letters. So for that, the array want to use to declare a multiple copies of the same data. We will go the concept of array. Multiple copies of same data. It will occupy only 4 bytes or ma'am, or no, actually maximum 4 bytes for a 32-bit system. And one more thing, some of the lower end of the system, it will occupy 2 bytes. Okay, Jay Kumar. That's why I have told you, this is the definition. An array is a linear homogeneous data structure. Okay, stored in the continuous memory location under one variable name. Yeah, yeah, you just take down. The next one is yeah. Now you all listen well. Everyone have the doubt, ma'am, what is the syntax and how I have to declare? Okay, we will go one by one topic. You will understand. You just take down. This is my array element 4, 5, 33, 13, 1. By seeing that, it will comes under what data type, ma? What data type? We have a main classification is integer, float, char. By seeing that, it will comes under what data type? Yeah, I'm getting the answer. Yeah, get good, int. So all are integer variables. It will all are comes under the integer data type. Okay. Now I told you contiguous memory, that is continuous memory location. So you all understand the first value will be stored in location 0, second 1, okay, third 2, fourth 3, and fifth variable will be stored in fourth location. So how we will declare the arena? First we have to declare the data type. What is my data type? Int. Okay. Now I have to declare the array first. So before array, we have to declare the variable name. That is, I'm giving my variable name A. You all know what is the rules we have formed for to name the identifier. The same rule is applicable here. It always starts with alphabetical. It should not start with the numerical one. All that will be, and the underscore only will be allowed to declare the variable. No special characters will not be allowed. And one more thing, there is a difference between the uppercase and lowercase of declaring the variable. All that will be same. So first one is integer, int. The next name is variable name. Then array means one important thing is this square bracket. This square bracket. Okay. This square bracket. Okay. First location. Int a of 0. First location, what is the value, ma? What is the array element value? A of 0. What is the array element value? 4. That I have to write first. 4. The next one, same int. Data type is same. A of 1. The next variable. A of 1. That is what? 5. A of 2, 33. A of 3, 13. A of 4, 1. Is clear? So yeah, I'm getting the answers. Thank you, Alma. So this is the way. First, you just write down pictorial representation, array element, location. So all are comes under integer data type, and location will be continuous memory location. A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4. A of 0 is 4, A of 1 is 5, A of 2 is 33, A of 3 is 13, A of 4 is 1. Is clear, ma? Why will start location from 0? It always start the location from 0 only. Is clear? The first index variable always starts from 0. Then 5 datas na A of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 datas na A of 0 to 9. 11 datas na A of 0 to A of 10. Is clear? It always start. It's all know VSC is a structured language. Is clear? Okay. What is contiguous memory? I told you it is a continuous memory location. So you all understand contiguous, the meaning for contiguous is continuous memory location. So for example, they were saying 1000 to 1200 addresses are now 200 blocks memory will be reserved. Okay, 1000 to 1200. I'm giving 200 data. I told you your class strength is 250 now. 250 addresses I have to know that 200 blocks will be, you all know, A of 0 to A of 199 will be allocated continuously. That is called as a contiguous memory. It will take the continuous memory location. Is clear? So depending on your allocation of the memory address, it will allocate the memory address continuously, or it will reserve the memory address continuously. Okay. There are two registers are there. One is base register and another one is limit register. Okay. Base register, starting address of the memory location. will be stored in the base register. You all understand what is register. It is nothing but here in C, we were not speaking much about the register, storage and all, because we will speak only about the structure, how the program is executed. The register concept, you are all learning electron devices now. So all this registers is nothing but all the devices. It will take and it will store the value. So there we have a two register, just to understand base register and limit register. Limit register is amount of memory. Base register is starting address. For example, I'm going to allocate 100 memory variables. For example, I have declared from A of 0 to A of 99. Okay, we all know nearly we are going to take from what location it will start. It will start from A of 0. Okay. And you all know integer, how many bytes I told you? 4 bytes. So 100 into 4, how many bytes ma? 400 bytes. That and all will be decided by the limit register. So limit register will mention the amount of memory, and base register will take the starting address of the memory. Is clear? Array means I told you array. That's why I told you to take the definition. Array means homogeneous data with contiguous memory location under the single variable name. The next question is very good. How many number of storage? Maximum it will store 100. Is clear? That is the next PPT. Okay. Array terminologies. You just see array terminologies. No need of taking this array terminologies and all. Array size. I told you size. We are all declaring now. Int is my data type. Okay. And A is my array name. And I will use to put a square bracket. That is the indication of size. If I put 40, then automatically you can understand that number of elements in the array is 40. So between this square bracket, I will mention the size. One more question, madam, it's a size is mandatory. It's not a mandatory, but if you are declared 40, automatically it will allocate, for example, integer now 40 into 4, 160 bytes will be allocated using limit register, and base register will start from A of 0. Okay, that square bracket will denotes number of elements in the array. Type refers to data type. I told always integer. Don't think that it will work only for integer. I can similarly put float. Float also I can put. Similarly, char also I can put. So what are the data type you have studied? I can refer that data type in array. Okay, base. The address of the first element. What is the address of the first element, ma? A of 0 means 41 elements. No, Nagababu. A of 40 means only 40 elements, but it will take the storage from A of 0 to A of 39. That is the meaning. Yeah, Karthik Murthy put it correctly. My base address always starts from A of 0. That is my base address. Okay. Index. The array name is used to refer the array element. One of you asked the question now, the value of x begins from 0. The index value is always an integer. We are saying now a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3 and all. That index value is always integer only. Even if I declare for float, that is also start from, because you all know it refers the contiguous memory location. So a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, that is always that, but it always begins from 0, and that index value always in an integer value. Okay, but data type is can be, you can use a different data type. Range. One of you asked now, ma'am, what is the maximum range? Lower bound, upper bound. Maximum range is 100. In array, I can declare maximum 100. 100 means my index value will start from A of 0 to A of 99. That is my maximum. Is clear? Have you understand that? Have you understand range? One of you have asked now, ma'am, what is the maximum range? Because previously I told if I want to occupy to one, that means I will use different array name. Okay, different int A of 100 I can declare, int B of 100 I can declare. Yes, Rashmita? We can't have more than 100. That's a limitation. That is the limitation in array. Int A of 100, int B of 100. This is the way I can declare it. Yes. Okay. Word. You all know the variable int, float, long need more than 1 byte of memory. Actually, you all understand byte. Bits means what is the value, ma? Bits. Yeah, 2. Karthik, correct. Bits means 0 and 1. That is bits. Okay. Byte. What is byte, ma? What is byte? 8 bits. Janani, correct. 8 bit. 8 bits is correct. 8 bits. Yeah, Varsha, Sanmuga Sai, Bharat. 8 bits are 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So totally 8 bits. 8 bit is nothing but 1 byte. Okay. Now word. Word is nothing but we used to say it is a uh, 2 byte. 2 byte means how many bits, ma? How many bits? Yeah, 16 bits. So this is the word we will use the technology bits, byte, word. Okay. And one more term is there, nibble. Nibble. Nibble means 4 bits. 4 bits is nibble. So bits, byte, word. Why I told all this now? Depending on the data type, the size of the array will change. For example, integer na we used to say it is 4 bytes. Float also 4 bytes because 32-bit system. When you go for char, it is 1 byte. So depending on the data type, my memory space will differ. So bits, byte, nibble, and word. So this is the way we used to say. Okay, one-dimensional array. We are not entering into the Jacob two-dimensional array. We are now speaking only about the one-dimensional array. Is clear? Yeah. The next one is array terminology is over now. Now all of you take your pen and write the syntax of array. Syntax of array. Data type, array name. Okay, then size. Int. You take down this int. Array name is A. And then size 100. Everyone write down how to write the syntax of array. So array, you all know it is a linear homogeneous data types used in the contiguous memory location under the single variable name. That is array. Okay, so data type is int. Array name is A. Size is mentioned in the square bracket. Okay, data type, valid identifier, size of the array. Data type means this is your data type. If I am declaring any array, data type is important. Identifier, it is nothing but my variable name. And this is the size of the array, maximum single dimensional array. It says we are all now discussing about single dimensional array. 100. Yes, yes. Take down the syntax, ma. Everyone take down the syntax. Yeah, nibble, nibble. Yes, yes, Rekha. 4 bits are called nibble. That's not necessary, but I'm telling technologically bits. You all know that starting with bits, now we are moving into um, nibble, then byte, then word, double word, then kilobytes, and then megabytes. Okay, then now gigabytes, terabytes, all they all become in the size of memory. Single variable means only one subscript. Yeah, Rekha, if I am declaring only one dimension, if I am declaring two dimension, for example 4 3, I have a two subscripts, that means two dimension. Is clear? Now we are discussing about single dimension. Don't get confused then. What is two dimension and all? After completing the one dimension, we will move on to the two dimension. One dimension, only one subscript is there. That is one dimension or a single dimensional. Okay. Have you all take down the syntax of array? Have you all take down? Yes. What does array declaration tell to compiler? What does array declaration tell to compiler? Okay. So you all know it is telling type of the array, that is int. Name of the array, that is A. Number of dimension. I told you single subscript, a single dimension. Number of elements in each dimension, that is 5. Okay. Sanmugashai, we never give a remote control from your screen. So I will decline your request. Okay. Type of the array, that is integer. Array name, A. Number of dimension, single dimension. Number of elements in each dimension, that is here 5. So what do you understand from here now? You just see array element 25, 10, 20, 35, 45, all are integer data type. You all know A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4. Yes. So array declaration tell to the compiler it is an integer data type and name of the array and dimension of the array and number of elements in each dimension. It's a, now we are all discussing about single dimension only. Is clear? Okay. I think I will clear it. It is similar to that what we discussed earlier. Okay. Single dimension, multi-dimension. You have asked a doubt. Okay. Single dimension means it's a one dimensional array. Only one subscript is there. Okay, that is a single dimension. Multi-dimensional array, more than two subscript will be there. Multi-dimension, especially in multi-dimensional, in our syllabus, we are going to see about the two-dimensional only. So definitely what it will take now, this will take a row column. So row column means definitely what will be remember you in mathematics? Row column matrix. Yeah, Rashmit Singh, correct. So multi-dimensional array, we will discuss with the matrix. Is clear? So single or one dimensional array to store the data in a linear form. Linear form means A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4, A of 5. That is single dimensional array. Only one subscript will be used. That's why I told you. Only one subscript variable is there. That is single dimensional. More than one subscript is there. That will be a multi-dimensional array. The another name of single dimensional array is linear array because it will take the elements continuously. Okay, thank you. Everyone put it identified, it's a matrix. Okay. Single dimensional array, how we can declare the array? So far we have seen only the syntax of array. Okay, now how to declare the variable? That's very important. Okay, so you all understand here, that's why they have given in three things: integer, and what is the array name? IARR. You all know it is similar to that. You need not to specify the identifier in a single letter. You can declare it like IARR, how we are declaring reminder, reverse number and all the similar way. And here it is storing three numbers. The next data type is char and my variable name is CARR and I am storing maximum 20. Okay, 20 characters. Then float. For example, if you take name, I'm allowing some of you have understand that while you are entering 50, you give, it will allow 50 characters. 40 we give 40 characters the same way. Okay. Float FARR, that is variable name, and 3 is my size. Okay. Data type, array name, size, val1, val2, val_n. This is initialization. You understand? This is my declaration. We all discussed about the declaration. Now I want to give the input. Now how I have to give the input? Because there, for example, 3 na, how I have to flower bracket 2 comma 3 comma 4. It will allow maximum of 3 numbers only. You all know it will take IARR 0, that is index value, IARR of 1, IARR of 2. Okay, char. I told you it is nothing but it will allow some 20 characters. So here we have give program. So it is having only 7 characters. It's not a problem. But one thing you understand, char, you should not use the bracket. You just to put the double quote as a string format. You have to enter that string, because you all know char means it's a single character. But when I'm mentioning my char in array, it will looks like on a string. Okay. Then float. The next one is float. FARR 3, 12.5, 13.5, 14.5. I think, ma'am, you may ask, ma'am, whether I have to enter 12.5000. That is not an. You want to enter any float number according to your given number, you can enter. But in the printf result only, it will be very specific. It will print the result in the way. Yes, have you understand? So I have to use the flower bracket to initialize my value. 2 comma 3 comma 4. Yes. So I need now declare int a of equal to 2, e of b of equal to 3, and 4, a of equal to c of equal to 3 and 4 and all. I can declare in a single data type with a single variable name. I can declare my variables. Previous slide. I think the slides will be uploaded for you only. So I think no need of worrying about. Have you noted down? But it will allocate. It will allocate. For example, if I give a 3, it will allocate nearly 12 bytes. Here 20 na 1 byte, 20 bytes it will allocate. It will allocate that is we will say. One of you have asked this doubt now. Saurneshwaran, your doubt. Yeah, it will allocate. So we have a two kind of allocation. One is compile time initializing, and another one is runtime initializing. Is clear? Compile time initializing. Ma'am, in multi-array, float is in decimal only, ma'am. You all understand the subscript always should be integer value. What I'm mentioning, Rekha, clear, understand well. Uh, and square bracket always mention your array size only. It's clear. Don't get confused on that point. Getting input using array is easier, ma'am. Yes, yes, yes. That we will see step by step. Don't get hurry up. And you people, some of them were very knowledge on this topic. Some of them very new. So I have to think in both the sides and I have to teach. Okay. Method 1, array size specified directly int, my integer data type, num, my variable name, and you all know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will take, but you all know memory location num of 0, num of 1, num of 2, num of 3, num of 4. Okay, and 5. Okay, that is array specified directly. Sometime I need not to specify. That's why I told you array size is optional only. or what if I'm specifying that compiler itself, it will count in the braces how many values are there, it will automatically count. So I can specify my size of array, or I can specify without specifying the size. I have a two category. Compile time, runtime is separate topic, leave it, that we will study in the third unit. Runtime, no need of get confused. Now we were focusing only about compile time. So compile time, we have a two category. One is specifying the size of the array. Next one is without specifying the size. Specifying size now, if I put int a of 5, that is specifying the size. If I put int a, simply the square bracket, without specifying the size. Without specifying the size, specifying the size. Is all clear, ma? Are you all clear? Yes? Okay. Accessing arrays. Okay. We all know that the same topic only, I think now very well. Index number, memory address cannot be viewed by us. It is all about the system only. But you all know that this square bracket, they were saying now, this is nothing but int ARR of 0, ARR of 1. I think this is the way they are saying accessing the array. Okay, for example, I want to get the third element of array. So how I will specify? Put it in chat, ma. I want to access the third element of the array. What will be your answer? A of 2. Very good, Rashmita. A of no, Vijayalakshmi, you should not put that parenthesis. That is wrong. A of 2. Third element, now first element, second element, third element, fourth element, fifth element, sixth element. That's they were saying. Okay, accessing the array, yeah, A of 2. Yeah, everyone correct. Yeah, because its index number starts from 0. That's why. Once again, ma. Sir, sir class la irukku. Are you all clear? A of 2, because my index value starts from 0, 1, 2. Yeah, some of you have raised the hand. Yeah, put your query in chat, ma. 35500. Your index number starts from 0. That's why 0, 1, 2. It is the third element. Is clear? Yeah, thank you all, ma. I think your screen is visible, ma. Is it visible? Okay, so I have a, please move this window. I'm getting that message. Yeah. Yes, yes. Thank you all, ma. Thank you all. Okay, now accessing the array. One of the important program I will execute in the online GDP compiler. But before that, I will explain you how to that. You all know stdio.h, conio.h. You all remember this conio.h. We won't use in the LMS program and all. Don't ask that doubt frequently. That is not supported. So we won't use the getch command, clear screen command and all. That are all supported by conio.h. Okay. Void main section and a preprocessor section. Int declaration part, array name ARR, square bracket. Once again. Okay. Integer ARR, array name. I told you I can specify the size or else I can specify without the size. Okay. So here I'm not specifying the size. It's not a problem. Okay. Int I. Okay. Why I, ma'am? For index value. Why? Because now this particular program will print the array, accessing the array. You all told now, how do you access the third element? Everyone said int A of 2. But if I want to access through the program, I have to go with definitely for loop is very, very mandatory for accessing the array program. For I equal to 0, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. Is clear? So I equal to 0, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. So you all understand element at array of 0 is 51, array of 1 is 32, array of 2 is 43, array of 3 is 24, array of 4 is 5, array of 5 is 6. Okay, how it is printing? That's the doubt. Okay, for I equal to 0, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. You all know for syntax, for initialization, condition, increment or decrement. Okay, now element at, you all know it will print every time it will execute the body of the statement. Element at array percentage d. This percentage d refers I. What is my first value of I is 0. So I have to put 0. Equal to is next percentage d. Next percentage d refers ARR of I. You all know this is the way I will access. You all put the variable name in the printf statement. But for array, you have to use ARR of I. That means it will print the first element value. ARR of 0, what is the value? 51. Yeah, this is I equal to 0. Next, I plus plus. What is the next value of I? 1. I equal to 1. So ARR of 1. It will print like this. Is we all know ARR of 5. ARR of 1 is what? 32. The next element value is 32. Then I will increment. What is the next I value? 2. ARR of 2 is, what is my third element? 43. Then I equal to 3. You all know I plus plus. It will keep on I less than or equal to 5. It will do. I equal to 3. So ARR of 3 is, that fourth element is 24. Then I equal to 4. ARR of 4 is 5. Is clear? It will go infinitely. I equal to 5. I less than or equal to 5. ARR of 5 is, sixth element is 26. Okay. Then I becomes 6. But this condition is fails. So automatically it will exit from the loop. It will exit from the loop. You won't give a loop now. We can't able to access the array. That's why we are giving. Yes, Gopal, have you understand? Okay. So I equal to 0, I less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. So first element, second element, third element, but indexing value will start from 0 to 5. So totally 6 elements are there. Okay. So I think I will execute this program. Ma'am, you are teaching. Yeah, that is Logit, very good. 5 elements, 6 elements, I can put a flower bracket. That's why we are using the for loop to get the input. Is clear? Very good, Logit. Okay, you all know Conio won't put, just put int main. Okay, yeah, just put, because input I directly give. Array element is 51, 32, 23. You just see I of 0, I of 1, I of 2, I of 3, I of 4, I of 5. So I think I of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is clear? Yeah, I will explain you the next to Jay Kumar, uh, how to get the input through user. That is also the next program. Okay, I think this you understand. The next one is that. I'll explain the program then. I think 35500, so much of time is raising the hand. I don't know why. Okay. Now the next program is calculate the addition of all elements in array. Okay. This you have asked you now, ma'am, how to give the input through user. For that particular program, we are using this. Okay. You all know I is for index value. Okay. ARR for array, and sum is nothing but I want to find out the sum of the elements in the array. Okay. Num is how many elements I have to give. That is num. Okay. Sum will calculate the sum. I is for index value, and num. For example, I want to add 5 elements. Maximum how many elements I can add? Because what is the array size I have declared? What is the array size I have declared here in this program? 50. So maximum I can give 50. So my num can be 3, or my num can be 4, or my num can be 10 or 20. Depending on that, it will take the input. Okay. So you just first enter the number of elements. For example, in this particular program, I'm going to enter, we will consider 5 elements. Okay. 5 elements through user only we are getting 5 elements. Num equal to 5. Okay, then enter the values. I have to enter the values. So you all know that for I equal to 0. This is, you all understand. So getting the input also, I have to, from the user, I have to use the for loop. For example, 5 value or 6 value or 7 value, we can use the flower bracket. But more than that, it is very difficult for us to give the input directly in the program. So user only can give the input. So for give the user, we are using for. For what purpose? Putting that array values through the keyboard. That is, user is giving the keyboard. Scanf %d, you are no ampersand, AR of 0. So how long it will take, ma? Num equal to 5 na? It will take ARR of 0. It will take the first element, it will go and store it in ARR of 0. Then next element, it will store it in ARR of 1. Okay. And the next element, it will store it in ARR of 2. Okay. And the next element, it will store it in ARR of 3. I think first I will give the input, then I will explain the sum. I think you people get confused. The next one is ARR of 4. So totally 4 elements. Then we will print that array. Okay, this program is like that. I think I will directly execute in the online GDP compiler. Total and all not necessary now. I think I will remove this total part and all. Okay. First we will get the array and then next we will print the array. This logic we will follow it. I think all this and all not necessary. Sum and all not necessary. Okay. So I think you can able to understand the size of the array will be declared here. This num is nothing but size of the array. Size of the array. Maximum what I'm giving, I can enter 50 numbers. Okay. So this is size of the array. The next one is reading the values into the array. So what I used, I equal to 0, I less than, okay, I less than or equal to num, I plus plus. So you all know that A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4. So this is the way we will put. Okay. Then here all is nothing but printing the number. Okay. So I think if I give, I have to put less than only. Why less than ma? Why less than? Not equal to should not come. Why? For example, my array size is 5 now. How long my subscript I will accept? ARR of 0 to ARR of 4. So less than num only it is correct. Is clear? Is clear? Yeah. Thank you, ma. Okay, that's why I put I less than num and here also I less than num. Okay. Now I want to print the array element. So you all see a percentage d first I value ARR of I value. So you just see I will run this program. Hash is left out. Okay. Enter the number of. So now I will give 5. Okay, 5. Enter. Enter the values. It is asking. So 10, enter, 20, enter, 30, enter, 40, enter, 50, enter. So you just see this is user giving A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4. That's why I put I less than num here. Is clear? Are you all clear with your doubts? Are you all clear with your doubts? So previously I put the flower bracket to enter the give input and this is how my, okay. Next case. I can give my array size is 10. Okay, 10. So 10 means automatically it will print the value 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So it will print from A of 0 to A of 9. Yes, you all understand how to give the input through user and how to give the input using the flower bracket. So there we have directly, we can specify the array size or without specifying the array size, I can declare my array or this is the way to get the input through keyboard. Because every time the student's mark will change, every time the data will keep on changing. So we cannot, every time we cannot able to directly give it in the program. Okay, so we have to give the input through user also. So have you understand this topic? Have you understand maximum I can give 50 elements. I cannot give because, but one thing, what is the disadvantage of this point? What is the disadvantage of this point? Can anyone tell? I am specifying my array size is 50. So 50 means how many memory location it will allocate? 50 into 4, 200 bytes it will automatically allocate. But under the 200 bytes memory location, I am using only 10. Then 10 into 4, what happened? Yeah, excess memory will be, what happened? My memory will be not used. Okay, so memory management has to be done. That's why that concept, runtime compilation. That we will see in the third unit. Okay, that we are not going to see. So all this entire unit we will discuss in the same way. Have you understand how to give? Okay, now I will explain you how to give the, how to find out the sum of the array elements. Actually, this is that program now, sum of the array elements. Very small change in the program. I think before that, I think we will discuss that in the next class. Some of you have a doubt in accessing that programs in online GDP compiler. Okay, so I will tell you how to practice programs in C. So this entire first unit have been uploaded for you. Can you able to see the LMS? Tomorrow we will discuss. Today we will complete till this what you have understand. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So I think this is the first unit. So click on practice programs in C. So you all see 101 attempts. It's all from group 1. Okay. Continue the last preview. Okay. Actually, you have some nearly some 10 programs, not 10 programs, 13 programs have been uploaded. All the programs what we are taught in the class, same program. Okay. How to do the program? You all understand? Write a program, C program to perform arithmetic operation. Very simple. The CO1 declared that you are supposed to understand the topic of this C programming. For that, we have gave the practice program. Okay. So don't use conio.h. Don't put void main. Very important. Then don't put get, put return 0. This is very mandatory. Our LMS compiler won't support the conio.h. Okay. So here arithmetic operation. Read the two numbers. Two should be integer. Any variable name you can give. Don't A, B and all. Okay. And you have to do sum, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. So you give the variable name sum, sub, multiplication, division, mod. You all know sum will add with two numbers. Subtract will two numbers. Multiplication, divide and modulus. Modulus operator. So it will always calculate the remainder. So when you look up on this, this printf result that you don't know what you will get in expected, but the remaining and all you will get it. So what you will do, you just put check. Okay. Here I will do small alteration that I will just have some space. Okay. Over here, I will give some space over here. And I will put some of the difference, the addition of 2, because printf statement anyone can put anything. Okay, so if you put like that, and if I'm checking over here, okay, so definitely even though your answers are correct, you need not to give any input in the statement, because in online GDP compiler test case itself, we will give the input. So you need not to put printf statement for entering two numbers, that and all not mandatory. You directly put scanf and ampersand A, ampersand B. You just give a scanf of two numbers alone, you put. Okay. And 5 2, that all backend we did the process. So even though you see sum of the two number is 7 and this is 3, 10, but you all understand this is the difference, because here what you got, there is a space, but my expected results doesn't give a space. So at that time you avoid the space. Even okay, your test case will be get passed. Your test case will be get passed. And here what you put addition, and here you put sum. So what you put here, sum of. Okay, now again you check it over here. So you just see both are get matched. Is clear? So any variable name you can give. For example, I will execute, I think this is one simple program. So this will be always mandatory. Okay, I think you. Okay, hash include stdio.h int main return 0. Okay, what is the program? Write a C program to find the area of the triangle. Read the breadth and height. So first what you put int, sorry, int, I'm giving a comma b, any variable I can give. Don't give printf statement for getting the input. Directly put scanf. Both are integer type. So scanf percentage d ampersand a comma ampersand b and it and semicolon. Okay. Okay. And one more, we have to calculate the area. You all know the area should be in float. So what I declare, float under area. Float under area. Okay. And you all know the formula for area, half BH. Area equal to 0.5 into B into H. That's it. Not B into H, A into B. Okay. A into B. Semicolon. Then printf. The area of the triangle. I will get any value, the area of the triangle. I will put it. Any statement I can put, I can check. After getting my differences, I can change it. Okay. Is, you all know the answer is in percentage. Percentage F. And you all know that is area. Okay. Semicolon. Now I will check the difference. Check. Definitely it will show the error message. You all see the spelling is dump. Yeah, the is again wrong. The area of the triangle, and you all know I forgot to keep the semicolon over here. Okay, then I will check it. Okay, now the area of the triangle is 31. I think I will post some 2 or 3 programs. Okay, then you have a better idea on this. Is clear? Ma'am, I got output. Ma'am, can we use Visual Studio? Students, this is, I have given practice programs in C in unit 1. So you are supposed to do only in LMS. Yes, ma'am, can we do this program in coding C app? No, it is given in your LMS. Practice in LMS. You just see, you all see the next program is odd or even program. It's all explained in the class. Okay, greatest of 3 numbers actually, this program. This is you nothing but factorial of n using for loop. Fibonacci series, you may try. Prime or not. I think these 2 programs I have already given in the programs using the concept of controls statement. I have given these programs. Arithmetic operations. Okay. Switch case statement. You check it in your PPT. Call by value, call by reference. So that's why here you just see multiplication and division program. I think this is one thing you would understand that I can give any function name. Is clear? You all to know that here call, I have to pass my input from main program to sub program. Yes. And one more thing, here I have declared int. That's why I can print in my main program or I can print it in my function program. Both will be give a same answer only. So just I will multiply 2 numbers and I divide 2 numbers. That's it. Okay. I think you factorial using recursion, swap the 2 numbers, reverse the number, grade of student. We use if, okay, else if and all we will use now. This is also. So you may check it over here. I think see 104 attempt. I think I have to give the instruction for the A batch. You have seen you can do multiple time. That it will always take your highest attempt. Multiple time you can do it and it will take your highest attempt. And one more thing, it is not get closed. It will, I will keep it for some 15 days. So you may do it only 13 programs now, not much time. So do it in your free time and it will improve your knowledge in C programming. Okay, I told you, see, Raj Kennedy have completed his quiz. So in that is in A section boy. So you can understand that you don't give finish attempt. Daily you just do one program, you get 0, don't that. Keep on trying. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Sanju ma'am is there, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Sorry. I didn't note down the time. Okay. I think I just put some reference program, 3 or 4 programs, and then you may practice over there. Okay.
Ma'am, you
Uh,
make her as a host and then lead the meeting, ma'am.
yeah.
You just
Yes, ma'am.
introduce them to ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Sorry, Sanjeev, ma'am. Okay. I leave the meeting. Tomorrow we will continue with the same tactic. Thank you all, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I'll leave the meeting.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you.